Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Summer is here and it is time to switch up your makeup. Today I'm going to use peach tones for a healthy and bronzy glow. Peach looks great on everyone and it gives warmth to the skin. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my summer peachy makeup look with DIY lashes. These lashes last up to 10 days and no mascara is required. If you'd like more information about DIY lashes, click on my video below. Summer skin is all about easy. I used IT Cosmetics CC cream to even out my skin tone. It also protects with sunscreen and hydrates in one easy step. Next, to keep shine under control, I use Lancome's Dual Finish to set and smooth. For a sun-kissed look, I used NARS bronzer in Laguna and brushed it across my forehead and made a 3 on the outer perimeter of my face. For blush, I used NARS Creamy Blush in Orgasm and placed it on the apples of my cheeks and brushed it upward. I then used NARS Powder Blush on top for a beautiful flushed look. To smooth my under eyes, I used Lancome's Tinted Concealer under my eyes. To prime my eyes, I smoothed MAC's Paint Pot all over my eye area. This will help my shadow not crease and stay on longer. For my peach look, I used Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette and started with the color Doughboy and brushed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. Next, I used See Me Rollin' in my crease. This adds shape and definition. I also wrapped it under my eyes for framing. On my lids, I swiped Gooey Goodness with my finger for sparkle and shine. And for a little more peach, I used Cinnamon Swirl in the outer corner. To balance out the look, I used Idole mascara on my lower lash line. For brows, I used IT Cosmetics Brow Pencil to fill in and shape. For lips, I used Revlon's lip liner in chocolate and used Anastasia's lipstick in tease. And to give hydration and shine, I used Lancome's Juicy Tube in hallucination. And here's the final look, my summer peach makeup look. This is my summer look. I hope you have a great summer. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.